Although you may not be doing a lot of traveling this summer, here is an easy DIY tablet holder that can be used in the car. This was requested by my daughter who loves watching her tablet even for trips around town, but sometimes doesn't want to hold on to it. You need ribbon, scissors, and a zipper binder pencil pouch. Measure and cut 2 long pieces of ribbon for the 2 outer holes. Feed the ribbon through the holes and tie a double knot at the base. Attach it to the back of the headrest by tying a bow on each side. You can open and close the zipper pouch at the bottom to easily remove the tablet when needed. You can also untie the bows to detach the tablet holder when not in use. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.